Hey guys, what's going on? Just thought I'd make a little video putting together these injora brass steering links here. I'm sure one or two people have had some issues because you just get these two links and you get a bag of these guys and you're probably thinking to yourself, what's going on here? So let's get started. Put this out here. So if you notice, one side here is a small surface with a large opening. One side here is a large surface with the opening in the middle. This side here with the large surface is the bottom. We'll be going down. This side here is the top side, obviously, and bottom side. And then you have your little O-rings here. So you take one O-ring, slide it over. It can be a little tricky because these guys are so tiny. Get it seated. Oh. Okay, get it seated. Just like this. On the bottom side, that's the top side. Before you put it in through the link, I like to put a little bit of grease. I use fast eddy bearings, red and tacky. This stuff's amazing. You just need the tiniest little bit. Put a dab here and there. And you grab your link, stick it through. So this is your bottom side here. This is your top. Then you just grab another O-ring. Slide her over and lock it in place. You should end up with something like this. And just repeat it all for everything else. So this will be done like this. This is the front side here. Everything at this, make sure all the joints are greased up. Wipe off any excess. Maybe we should put some smallest bit of Loctite on this guy. Tiny drop is all you need. Looks like a 1.5. Oh, 1.5 millimeter. Snug it down. And there you have it. She's ready to go on the truck.